Next question. Find the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis. Whose center lies on x-axis and passing through the points -2, 3 and 4, 5. So here the important thing is center lies on x-axis. That means circle center lies on x-axis. The center is on x-axis. X-axis. Center lies on x-axis. Center lies on x-axis. See, on x-axis, the point or the general point is x, 0, or sometimes you can also assume k, 0. That means on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So here generally what we do is we assume the equation of the circle. Let the equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. We'll assume this equation of circle. As the center lies on x-axis, the center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. See, the center of this equation one is minus g comma minus f. But the condition is center lies on x-axis. So on x-axis y coordinate is 0. So here the y coordinate is minus f. So minus f is to be equated to 0. So clearly whenever center lies on x-axis, f value is 0. So directly I will write f is equal to 0. So given center lies on x-axis, as center lies on x-axis, f is equal to 0. You can write directly f is equal to 0. Now we got the value of f directly. Now the next is they gave the points. So what is the first point they gave? -2, 3. -2, 3 passes through the circle. So this is circle we are assuming. Substitute -2, 3. -2 square 4. And what is y value? Is 9. And 2 into g into x value is -2. Okay. Now what is f value? 0. So here if I substitute f as 0, this term is eliminated. We don't get the term. So I am not substituting 3 instead of 2fy. So eliminate that. After that what we have? Plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Since the value of f is 0, if I substitute this 0 and 3, this whole term will become 0. 0 and anything is 0. So eliminate that term and write the remaining c. Now we get minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now the next point is 4, 5. 4, 5 passes through this equation. General equation 1. Substitute that. 4 square 16. 5 square 25 plus 2 into g into x value is 4. But this y value, this is 5. I am not substituting instead of 2 and 2f because f value is 0. Eliminate that one and write plus c is equal to 0. So we get 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. This is equation number 3. Now very simple. If you solve 2 and 3, directly the c gets eliminated. So solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. I am solving equation 2 and equation 3. What is equation 2? It is minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. Okay. And what is equation 3? It is 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. Now I will solve. If I solve, this plus c will become minus c. This plus 8 will become minus 8. Minus 41 will become plus 41. Change the signs. So minus 4g minus 8g is minus 12g plus c minus c cancels. Now 41 minus 13. It is 28. See, 41 minus 13 is 28. So now what is g value? What is g value we get? So g is equal to 28 by 12. 28 by 12. So we can simplify 28 by minus 12. Sorry, 28 by minus 12. So g is equal to 4 7s are 28, 4 3s are 12, and minus sign as it is. You can write either in the numerator or denominator. So what is g value? Minus 7 by 3. After getting g value minus 7 by 3, we also have f value. Only we need is c value. So substitute g value in equation 2 or 3. Any one you can use so that you get c value. So which one we will use? Either 2 or 3. We use 2 in equation 2. I am substituting in equation 2. So minus 4g, I am writing this, minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. I am substituting. So minus 4 into g value minus 7 by 3. G value is minus 7 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 13. So 28 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 13. So what is c is equal to? Minus 13 minus 28 by 3. I transpose 28 by 3 on the other side. Minus 13 minus 28 by 3. So now c is equal to I am taking LCM. See, minus 13 minus 28 by 3. If I take LCM, minus 39 minus 28 by 3. Took LCM. Minus 39 minus 28 by 3. So C value is minus 67 by 3. So we got C value. Now we have F value. Okay. We have G value. G, F, C. All the three we got. Now what we have to do? All the three we have to substitute back in equation 1. So substitute G, F and C in equation 1. So again I repeat that equation 1. What is equation 1? It is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now I am substituting. When I substitute the variables x square plus y square as is, what is g value? G value is minus 7 by 3 plus 2 into minus 7 by 3x. What is f value? It is 0. So if I substitute 0, this term is eliminated, so no need to show the substitution because it is 0. Now what is c value? Minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. Now we'll simplify this. X square plus y square minus 14x by 3 minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. Now we will simplify this. We take LCM. So what we get? 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. See, when we take LCM, we get by 3. But why I am not writing that 3? If you cross multiply 0 into anything, it will become 0. So that is the reason I am not writing by 3. So this is the required equation of circle. So this problem is completed. So next problem, find the equation of circle which passes through the points. Now 3 points are given which passes through the points 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. So here all the 3 points are passes through the circle. So whenever a point passes through the circle, we have to assume the general equation. So let the equation of circle be assumed as x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We are assuming the general equation of circle. Put it as equation 1. So same method. First it is given that 3 comma 4 passes through equation 1. This is 4. 3 comma 4. Substitute in this equation. First equation. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. This 3 I will substitute instead of x. 2g into 3 plus 2f into 4. 3 comma 4 I am substituting. Plus c is equal to 0. So we get, first I will simplify this, 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25, because 9 plus 6 is 25. So we get equation 2. Okay. Now next point, what is the other one we have? 3 comma 2. Substitute 3 comma 2 in equation 1. Okay. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 2g into x value is 3, 2f into y value is 2. Okay, x value 3, y value 2. I am substituting. Plus c is equal to 0. So 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 9 plus 4, 13. Transpose on the other side. This is equation 3. Okay. Next, the last point given as 1 comma 4. So write 1 comma 4. Now substitute 1 comma 4 in equation 1. So 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 4 square 16 plus 2gx. X is 1. Okay, x is 1 and y value is 4. So 2f into 4 plus c is equal to 0. So we get 2g plus 8f plus c. 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 16 plus 1 is 17. Transpose on the other side will become minus 17. This is equation 4. Okay, so using those 3 points 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 1 comma 4, we got equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Now, by solving these 3 equations, 2, 3 and 4, we get G, F and C. First, we will solve 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. Okay, so what is equation 2? It is 6G plus 8F plus C is equal to minus 25. Okay, then equation 3 is 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. See, we are solving these two. I will subtract these two so that signs change. Minus 6g, minus 4f, minus c and plus 13 because already it is minus. Okay, after changing the signs, clearly plus 6g minus 6g cancels. 8f minus 4f is 4f. Plus c minus c cancels is equal to minus 25 plus 13. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. It is minus 12. Okay. 4f is equal to minus 12. Minus 25 plus 13 is minus 12. So now we can get the value of f. So f is equal to minus 12 by 4. Minus 12 by 4 is minus 3. So we got f value. Now we solved 2 and 3. Now we will solve 3 and 4. Okay, solve 3 and 4. We will see what we get. 3 and 4. Okay, so equation 3. Equation 3 is 6g plus 4f. 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. Okay, I wrote equation 3. Equation 4, I am writing equation 4. 2g plus 8f plus c. plus C is equal to minus 17. Now I'll subtract minus, minus, minus and plus. Subtracting. 6G minus 2G is 4G plus 4F minus 8F. It is minus 4F plus C minus C cancels is equal to plus 70 minus 13 is 4. So clearly we can take 4 common on both sides. So what we get? G minus F is equal to 1. Now we will give some number for this equation. See, 2, 3, 4 and this will equation 5. Now we got equation 5. Now what we have to do is, see, we already have F value. What is F is equal to? Minus 3. This F is equal to minus 3. I will substitute in equation 5 so that I will get the value of G. So now substitute F is equal to minus 3 in equation 5. Substitute now. So G as it is minus F value is minus 3. I am substituting F as minus 3, minus sign as it is equal to 1. So G plus 3 is equal to 1. G is equal to minus 2 because it is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now we also have the value of G. We have G and F. Now we need C value. So now just see this here. G and F you can substitute in 2. You have C there. Or you can substitute in 3. Or you can substitute in 4. To get the value of C, you can use F and G values in 2, 3 or 4. Any one of these three, either 2 or 3 or 4. Any one you can use. So I am using equation 2. So to get the value of C, what I do, I will substitute F and G in equation 2. So you can do it in 3 or 4, no problem. Okay, I will use it in equation 3. So I will write equation 3, that is 6G plus 4F plus C is equal to minus 13. Now I am substituting 6 into G value. What is G value? Minus 2 plus 4 into F value minus 3 plus C is equal to minus 13. I am substituting now. So we get minus 12 plus C is equal to minus 13. So minus 24 plus C is equal to minus 13. So what is C is equal to? It is minus 13 plus 24. C is equal to 11. What is C value we got? 11. Now we need an equation of circle. Always after getting GFC values, what we have to do? After getting GFC values, we have to substitute back in equation 1 in this general equation. So substitute G, F, C in equation 1. So I am substituting now. So what is equation of circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx. I am directly substituting in equation 1. What is g value? Minus 2. Minus 2x plus 2 into f value minus 3 into y. See, x square plus y square as is 2gx I substituted, 2fy plus c. What is c value we have? 11. So plus 11 is equal to 0. So what is the equation of circle we are getting? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. So these are, today's class is very important class. Examination point of view, these are very important. All the problems are 7 marks problems. So please practice these problems.